Welcome to Drupa Düsseldorf. Oh.
Hi, I'm Carrie Sherburne, Senior Editor at WhatTheyThink.com, and I'm here with Jochen Meissner from GOS, International President and CEO, and you guys are located in beautiful Durham, New Hampshire, right? It's beautiful this time of year.
Exactly, yeah.
Soon you'll
Still
have
enjoy
snow.
the summer.
And you've had a few years of experience going to Drupa, I understand. How many Drupas have you been to?
I've probably been to 6 or 7 Drupas by now.
Yeah, that's a lot of Drupas. And so I wanted to kind of get your, your feeling or your opinions about, first as an exhibitor, why this show is important to you, and then secondly, kind of why an attendee should take the time to go.
Well, Drupa is really the only global show in the world. There are many regional shows, and I think there will be further concentration on regional shows. And in a slow growth environment that we currently see in printing, I think it's very important that there's one strong global show where many suppliers can showcase their technologies.
Mm-hmm.
For GOS, it has been always a great backdrop to show our new technologies to a global audience, and we're looking forward to the next Drupa 2012 to demonstrate and introduce our new line of printing equipment for the packaging industry.
Oh, okay. Because you've been focused mostly on newspapers, right?
Well, I think we have currently we are in 2 fields. One of our legs is newspaper. The other one is what we call commercial printing, primarily for magazines and catalogs.
Mm-hmm.
And we have taken our Sunday technology that basically was a game-changing technologies over the last 10-15 years, and we are using that as a base technology for our entrance into the packaging market.
And that's very exciting. That's very exciting. So other than visiting your stand at Drupa, what advice would you have for attendees? Why should they go?
Well, I think everybody is going to show interesting technology at Drupa. I think a lot of talk will be about what we will see in the digital area, and I think you will see digital not just with the usual suspects, but you will also see digital equipment integrated in offset technology, because I think it's not an either or, it's probably more a question of how do we combine these technologies to maximize the results for the printers.
And it's interesting as you get into the packaging industry in particular, the ability to maybe put inkjet heads with the web presses and be able to put, in a single pass the barcodes and the expiration dates and all the other information that goes on certain types of packaging. That's huge.
I think it's a must in today's world. Packaging, the requirements for packaging printers are such that single package control for quality reasons and for safety reasons will be a mandate throughout the world. And again, that is one of the reasons why digital printing and conventional technology will be combined in the future.
It's interesting, some of the consultants in these interviews about Drupa, we've been talking about, what is this Drupa? Because, we had the digital Drupa and we had the inkjet Drupa last year, and, what's this one going to be? And there are a couple of things, obviously there's going to be increasing developments in inkjet, but a couple of the different aspects is it seems like there's much more focus on hybrid production like you've been talking about, and also sort of a multi-vendor support. Not many plants have only one vendor anymore, right? So you need workflows that can support multi-vendor.
I think there's the concept of being a one-stop shop is probably not going to work. Software technology changes very quickly. Printing technology changes at a much lower lower pace, and I think you will see some newcomers, but I think you will also see, as we saw in plate making some years ago, you see very quickly a consolidation, and only the real strong players will remain.
Yeah. Well, we will look forward to seeing you at Drupa 2012, starting May 3rd. It's going to be here before we know it, huh?
Exactly, yeah. And we look forward to good weather in Düsseldorf and asparagus.
And it's plenty of spargel, yes. And you know, since you're from Düsseldorf, maybe you could just give us a quick idea on, you know, what's the most fun thing to do in the Altstadt?
I guess it's
drink beer.
Drink out beer.
It's terrific spending time with you, Jochen. Thank you.
Benefit from change and through